WIXUR. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello everybody. In this video I show how to design an offset coping in Exocad software. First of all, I fill in the information on the left. This is explained in Exocad DB part 1 video. Click on the desired tools and choose offset coping. Zirconia for the production material. On the right there are more options, I will explain them separately. I do not want to add antagonists for this job, so I choose one stone model only for scan mode. Save the job and click on design. First step is to define the margin line. Click on one point with the left mouse click and you see the entire margin line is detected automatically, and if needed, with correct and draw, you can modify the margin line. Click on next. Now it's time to set the cement gap. I need to check the insertion axis. I do it by right mouse click and check the undercut. You see the undercuts are shown with red color. Set current view as insertion axis, click OK, and the cement gap should be set. Click on next. Okay, next step is the lingual band. Click on the lingual side of the crown. Set the desired collar height and collar angle. Click on next. Now I have free forming window and it helps me to add or remove some parts of the crown. I apply some changes in the mesial part of the crown, as you see. Free forming section is explained in a separate video completely. Click on next. My offset copying is now ready. Not so hard, yeah? Please follow WIXUR YouTube channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.